In a world of automatic SUVs, the 2026 Acura Integra A-Spec stands as a defiant salute to the purists. This isn't just a premium commuter. It's a driver's car that refuses to let the manual transmission fade into history. Under the hood, you've got the 1.5-liter VTEC Turbo, delivering 200 horsepower. But the real magic is in your right hand. This segment-exclusive 6-speed manual features short throws and a standard helical limited-slip differential, making every canyon carve and cloverleaf on-ramp feel visceral and connected. For 2026, the A-Spec gets a sharper edge. We're looking at a brand new Aero body kit with gloss black side spoilers and Berlina black 18-inch wheels. Inside, the tech has caught up. A larger 9-inch touchscreen is now standard, along with wireless Apple CarPlay and a wireless charger, keeping the cabin as modern as the drive is classic. But it's still an Integra. You get that class-leading lift-back versatility and the 16-speaker ELS Studio 3D audio system that turns the cabin into a concert hall. It's the rare machine that handles the daily grind and the weekend blast with equal composure. The 2026 Acura Integra A-Spec manual. Power you can feel and control you can't replace.